Yeah, get it.
Dude,
I like tight
Alex,
pussy.
you're getting milked by a cat.
Tight pussy, man.
Hope your girlfriend don't get jealous. Proper shot of milk on him. Ah, anyway.
His hands go down his pants. There's nothing to do there.
Yeah, help yourself, mate.
Yeah. Nice one.
I can't believe this shit, man.
I couldn't leave. I only just come out for a smoke, man. I hear him snore, and I'm like, and then you guys weren't going up. I was like, fuck.
Oh, you only come out when we came out?
Just come out when you come over here.
I've never seen anything like it.
I'm gonna put this on you being framed in England, man. I'll get 200 quid for this.
Yeah. I gotta show my tie, mate. It's fucking. The funny is, I'll be like, yeah, man, tie pussy number 1.
Even got some music to go with it as well.
Oh yeah, tie pussy. Oh yeah. Yeah, man.
Sucky, sucky.
Mushy, mushy.
Oh man, my mates are just gonna be creasing them.